I've never had my nails done like this before. Oh yes, that's exactly the kind of thing that I like. Social media is crazy.
I always feel like bitchy.
Glam sweatpants.
Nails by May. So tell me about your story.
Oh, where do you want to start? Right at the beginning?
So yeah. So
Okay.
where are you from?
I'm from a little town called Malvern in Worcestershire, and I absolutely love it there. I think it's the best place ever. And I just always loved to sing growing up. And I remember one day an advert came on for people to sign up to the X Factor. My mum kind of joked and she was like, well, why don't you do it? You're not doing anything at the moment, go and do it.
Oh, your mom said that?
Yeah.
Cute.
And I called the number and got through to them and turned up to the audition, and then I suppose my whole life changed.
I see. So today I'm gonna make your nail long. Do you like long nails?
I like them manageable.
Yeah.
I actually have a little girl.
You are?
Yeah, she's 1.5 now. So dealing with a baby is not easy when you have really long nails.
That's right.
So I like to keep them like mid,
Okay.
manageable.
Manageable size.
Like I love your nails so much, but with a toddler,
yeah.
I don't know how I would do all of those very unglamorous things that I have to do as a mother.
So when you go to tour, you have to go to so many different countries, right?
Yeah, so many.
Do you have so much stuff with you or just...
Yes.
Yeah?
I am not a light traveller.
Really?
I overpack for everything. Everything in my life, I have more stuff than I should ever possibly need. I'm one of those like panic people.
Yeah.
You know, like I think, but what if I don't feel like wearing that day? What if I'm not brave enough to wear that? So I'll pack like 7 options
That's so...
for one day.
But you're good because you know yourself and then you prepare, right? That's so good. Because when I'm home, I change my outfit like 4 times in a day.
Yep.
But every time when I go to traveling, I don't like to carry so much stuff.
Yeah.
And then at the day, I feel like I don't want to wear this. I should just go to shopping, you know? I always go to shopping.
But that's a good excuse, right?
Yeah. It's really good, right? What do you think about this length? Do you like it?
Yes. Love it. It's manageable.
Yeah.
My fingers look so long.
So long. I heard you love lightning bolt.
Yeah, I do.
I want to ask you, what's your favorite color?
I love all things orange.
Yeah.
And it inspired me a lot when I was creating the clothing range that I have.
Cool. What's it called?
It's called Glow.
Glow.
GLO. And I have enjoyed creating my own clothes so much. It's something I wanted to do for such a long time. So everything's pretty much black and then a hint of orange.
Cool. So maybe we should do the orange and black today. I heard you used to live in US.
Yeah, I did for a little while.
How was it?
I was there for about 3 years.
Oh, that's pretty long.
Yeah, we toured a lot.
Cool.
And I had my dogs with me. And
What kind of dog is this?
I've got a British bulldog,
Cute.
and her name's Sharon.
Sharon.
Yeah, and I've got a little Frenchie called Buddy.
Wow.
Yeah. They were my babies before I had a baby, you know? So I have a 3 baby. It feels so good to get my nails done.
Yeah, you feel like yourself.
Yeah, I don't know, like you feel like a new woman.
Yeah. I always feel like a bitchy,
Right.
you know? Long nail make you bitchy.
Definitely. I think like you hold yourself differently.
Yes.
Right?
You're
Opposed
acting
to like
so different.
yeah, opposed to when you've got just like normal short nails.
Yeah, Totally.
Instant change.
Yeah, everyone has to try.
Yeah.
So how many followers you have?
Without sounding really boasty, I think it's like 7 million on Twitter, and then 7 million
Wow.
on Facebook, and I think it's like 2.1 on Instagram.
You have so many followers for Instagram and Twitter. And what do you think about social media?
Social media is crazy. 10 years ago, it wasn't a
Sure.
big thing. But now I feel like some people live their lives for it.
Yeah, everyone's
know?
like everyone knows your life through
Definitely.
social media, right?
I think the number one thing that I like
Mm-hmm.
my fans to always remember is that the amount of likes you get and the amount of followers you have don't define you as a person. Social media allows me to have that voice and that connection with people that I wouldn't normally have.
Yes.
I mean, the biggest connection that I used to have with artists that I loved growing up was literally the booklet that you get in CDs.
Yeah.
And it had all the lyrics.
Yeah.
That was the most connected that I could be with my favorite artist.
Yeah.
And now you can just DM me on Instagram.
Exactly. That's very strange.
Kind of takes the magic away
Yeah.
in some ways.
It's good, but sometimes a little bit scary too.
Oh, I love that.
Cute.
Love it. I didn't know what you were doing, and then I looked and I was like, oh yes.
Yeah.
That's exactly the kind of thing that I like.
What's the most used emoji?
It's the laughing face.
Laughing
Because,
face?
yeah, I just guessed that everything's
is it-
funny.
Is it like a tear one?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's funny. I love it. I like the straight one, and I also like this one.
That one,
Yeah.
I like that one.
Cute.
This is like a perfect match for my glow clothes.
Really?
Yeah, this
Oh.
is the colour that I have on my clothing range.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Perfect match.
So do you like grandma or sweatpants?
I'm more of a sweatpants
Sweatpants?
type of look, but not like any type of sweatpants.
Yeah, you
like
have
glam sweatpants.
That's right. Do you like it?
They look amazing
I'm so happy. I love it. It's so pretty.
and strong.
Yeah, strong. Well, orange and black is really strong. And plus crystal looks cool. Night in or night out?
Night in.
Night in.
Because then you don't have to worry about anything. You can just do whatever you want at home.
Yeah.
And nobody's watching me, which is always fantastic.
Unless you don't post Instagram. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So I can be a mess if I want to.
I'm doing top coat now. I painted this orange, your favorite orange. And then I also painted black on couple nail each because I think it's cool to have a both color. And then I painted your favorite symbol. And then I wanted to do something like shiny because I think you like the crystal stuff.
Yeah. I definitely feel a lot more glam now than I did before.
Yeah.
And it kind of makes me want to change my outfit.
I'm almost done actually. Maybe it's gonna be last question. What's your star sign?
I'm a Leo.
Leo! I have so much friend Leo.
Compatible.
Pisces.
Oh, nice.
Leo is so nice because they decided, I'm gonna eat this tonight.
Yeah.
You wanna come? Come, right?
Yeah, I'm very like, this is what I'm doing.
Yeah.
If you want to join me, fantastic. If
Yeah.
you don't, that's fine
Come.
too.
Yeah. If you don't, go by yourself.
Yeah.
It's so easy, you know? I love it. It's done.
They look so good.
So good.
And you know when you said bitchy before?
Yeah.
Yes.
See?
They are. Yep. Oh, they look so good. Thank you.
Thank you. See?
Oh,
So
they look
cute.
so good.